Mike Hughes here. I'm with three sisters and me, and I'm here with Brianna, and you would tell us a little bit about your company?
So it started out with me, my two sisters, and my oldest daughter. We were making tutus for my younger girls. And we've actually increased to now we make hooded towels and hooded blankets. So you can actually see here is one of our towels. It is a full-length towel with a hood that we've actually embroidered the image on.
Cool, kind of Star Wars-y.
So it's yes, we have Star Wars, we have characters and
Hello
non-characters.
Kitty.
And Hello Kitty.
That's very important.
Oh yeah, and we have nautical themes. So we have some whales, some sharks, and us.
And something went the other way.
Yeah.
That
This
happens.
happens all the time. And we have mermaids and all sorts of, like we have Disney characters from like all the different Disney movies. We have Scooby-Doo. We have, and so they're on blankets or towels. Our blankets are a full-size throw blanket. So you have 50 by 60 inch blanket to have a hood on and wrap up and snuggle and stay warm.
Now I have a problem with this, and that is I can't get my daughter to hang up the towel anyway, and now you've made it a hoodie where she'll never take off.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But yeah, we make them all ourselves. And so even I have an 8-year-old, an 11-year-old, and then I have another 10-year-old nephew and another 8-year-old niece, and they all know how to work our machines. So they actually, each of them have helped create a design. I can't tell you which ones because they each have
they're all artistic talents.
And not only do we do that, but we can see we do embroider on aprons as well. So that's our mermaid face on our aprons, and we have all sorts of items.
The tail's on the backside, which you can't see.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.